so embarrassing. Don't tell anyone, okay? What's up, guys? You already know that's me, the shopaholic queen of the century. You know, when you shop for a living, what can I say? You end up with a lot of stuff. And unfortunately, all good things come with a price. And that means I gotta clean up. So today we're gonna go through my pile of stuff. So without further ado, the most ridiculous shopaholic closet cleanout you've ever seen. Part 700,000 million. Right, good morning. What is up, you guys? 17,000 things to report. First of all, if my voice sounds crazy, do you guys see this? It's because I went to the Taylor Swift Eras concert last night. We're gonna go see Taylor Swift! It was literally the best thing of my life. It was amazing. I had floor seats. I was crying, laughing, sobbing. Incredible. I liked it so much. I'm literally going again tonight. Psychotic. So anyways, before we go and before I get ready, I thought it would be fun to clean out my closet. But we will start with a very unfortunate before. You can see I don't even have a doorknob on my closet yet. That is how behind I am on this project, but ta-da! Gorgeous. So this is actually clean compared to what it usually looks like. Y'all know I am a ginormous slob. It just is what it is. I have like random hair extensions, random stripper shoes, random objects, hats, lingerie, boxes, 7 million white shirts that all look exactly the same. Some stuff that still has tags on it, some stuff that's absolutely priceless, hello. And then some stuff, if I'm being honest, I don't even know where I got it from. Just kidding, I actually got these from a boy's house once upon a time. One of the best nights of my life. I'm keeping those. Anyways, it's a family channel. So, but yeah, this is like not normal. I have so many pairs of jeans and jean shorts. If I lay them all out, you guys are actually gonna laugh. Like literally, this is just some of them. I still have an entire box full. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff and we have a lot of work to do. So we'll start with how I always start. The piles. We're gonna make a keep pile. My handwriting is atrocious, I know. But there we go. Gonna make a donate pile and a sell pile. Dun, ta-da, ta-da. Hi, Boogeyman. Hi, I love you. P.S. on the selling mark. You guys know I literally have been buying and selling fashion for like the longest time. One of the things that actually really inspired this video is I am doing a huge live stream closet selling like extravaganza on an app called Whatnot. I'll explain that more in a minute, but that is August 20th, woohoo! It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be like this, except live, and you guys can buy stuff. It's gonna be super cool. So anyways, I'll talk about that more in a second, but for now, let's attempt to go through the stuff. Maybe we'll start with my jeans, since I have 800 million of them. God, I love booty shorts. Okay. Keep. Wrangler on my booty. Even though I have a lot of pairs, they're all very different. Keep again. Thought they couldn't get any smaller and tinier. Guess again! That's the way. I like it. Keep again. Okay, not particularly productive. Let's try a section where I might not want to keep everything. So one of the pillars of closet cleanout that I have learned, Marie Kondo, does it spark joy? And honestly, sparking joy applies to everything in your life, not just clothes. You know, does the activity spark joy? Does the thought spark joy? Does he spark joy? T, pay attention. Literally everything in your life should spark joy. It's the key to a beautiful, happy life. The hangers even are a mess. By the way, my closet is all over the place. I have some really expensive, nice things like Dior. Even those have dog fur on them. Shout out to George. But then I also have a bunch of random cheap stuff that I got on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Also still has dog fur on them. So we'll go through some of this and try it on. Do you guys remember this skirt? I bought this in Thailand. And I got this shirt on eBay a million billion years ago. I may shop a lot, but one of my not so secret talents is every single thing I buy, I know exactly where I got it, exactly when, where, what, blah, blah, blah. I always remember, I'm like a weird elephant. Still classic, still bangs. Definitely, unfortunately, still going in the keep pile. God, I gotta get rid of something. Do a little mix and match, try on the same corset, but with a different skirt and a different jacket. When you're trying stuff on to see if you still like it, don't just limit it to one outfit. Try it on with a couple things, you know? It's easy to revamp old things to be new with just a couple different accessories. Like that one little top could be 3 different looks. Okay, let's see. Maybe moving on to some things that I know I don't wear very often. Or maybe I've like never even worn. Like, ta-da! This dress is so cute. I wore this to the Tiffany's Cafe in London and it was adorable. And it's just like, boop, boop. Super nice dress, but I don't get excited to wear it anymore since I've worn it a few times and for pictures and for special events. So I think this would be better suited to be sold to someone who will cherish it. So ta-da! Finally, something in the sell pile. P.S. I know a lot of people have trouble getting rid of things, but you just gotta reframe your thinking. Like now your stuff is gonna go to a happy new home and live in a great little wonderful place and have a great new little wonderful life. Plus it's an excuse for you to take the earnings and buy something new. Once a shopper, always a shopper. La 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 la. Same with this dress. I have had this for literally 100 million years. This is a gorgeous dress. It's actually Sherry Hill and was like, I think 500 stinking bucks new. So, you know, so it's time for it to find a new little princess home. This outfit was amazing. I wore this in Singapore. So cute, but like I said, I already wore it in Singapore and I'm probably not gonna wear it again. Plus it doesn't really fit my boobs that great because mine are a little too big for this, so. Then we have something like this, which is super cute and fun, but honestly, I've already had my super cute fun with it, so again, sell. Letting go is fun and easy when you remember it means you can buy more new. And while there may be so many fire fits that you're okay with getting rid of, there's also the ones that you couldn't freaking drag off my dead body. Like, hello, this is vintage Dolce & Gabbana, the whole fit. Iconic. As much as I loved the Barbie era, I'm telling you, I would literally slay the Bratz doll era. By the way, while we're in here, you've seen my closet before. My clothes closet may be a mess, but my shoe and purse closet, my pride and joy. Like, I don't even need to clean this out. This is immaculate because my shoes are my children. Aren't these amazing? My God, so good. And these? My other pair of shoes that says sex on them. Quite the collection. I really am Carrie Bradshaw. I frickin' love my shoes. However, since this is supposed to be a closet clean out video, perhaps I can get rid of 1 or 2 pairs. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep these. Mostly because Lady Gaga had them, but also mostly because they're vintage and rare and I don't want to get rid of them. I literally never want to get rid of any of my shoes. It's actually a problem. That's why I have so many. But because look, they're so beautiful. How could you ever want to part with these? I'm telling you guys, the loves of my life. You and these. Oh, and you of course, little muffin. I love you. Sweet angel man. Okay, you wanna help mommy keep cleaning? I mean, yeah, gotta keep. I also really gotta get a pedicure. Don't look. Imaginary feet OnlyFans definitely not coming today. The little heart, gotta keep these too. Keeping them all. This is not productive. Oh, but it is really fun, isn't it? I die. So fun. Okay, but for real, I do have to clean up something, so maybe I'll try the pairs that I haven't worn in 100 years. These little rainbow Valentino ones I have not worn in a very long time. It may be time for them to have a new happy home. Oh, like these are so cute, but it's definitely been a minute since I wore these, so might be time to sell these babies. You know what, kind of same with these Louis Vuitton patchwork shoes. I literally have the matching bag too, but I do not ever wear these. This bag has been so good to me. It's vintage, it's so cool. Alexa Demi has it, but I've had my fun with it, so one of you guys want it? So I'm gonna be doing a live closet clean out stream on one of my new favorite apps called Whatnot. If you haven't heard of it before, it's basically an app where hosts can like host a little live stream where they sell stuff from their closet live. Like you guys know I used to sell all my stuff on Poshmark or eBay or whatever, so think that, except a live fun experience where instead of just seeing a picture of this, you see me holding it and talking and it's fun and you can like ask me questions about it. I'll be holding up my stuff like this. I actually think I am gonna sell these, by the way. Look at these. These are killer. These are Prada furry like cheetah heels. So stinking cute. I wore these in this pic. On the live streams, you'll get to see it live and literally bid on it right there. And it's like actually kind of addicting. I've been watching a bunch of people's live streams and like buying so much weird stuff, but you're gonna get a $10 shopping credit from me to you to shop anything you want in my closet. Yes! As an extra special added bonus item on the live stream, guess what, you guys? I went to the store and I bought a little something something for you guys as a gift. Ta-da! I picked up this gorgeous little Barbie pink bag for one lucky person while I was in New York. Literally, this is gonna be in a haul soon, but oh my gosh, isn't this the cutest thing you ever saw? It was just like, I thought it was so Barbie inspired and fun. I'm literally going to give this away in the stream live. If you win the item, it's $0. I'm shipping it to you from me with love. See you there, August 20th, link in description. Good luck. I probably don't really need this crown, however, I'm gonna be keeping this too. What else can we do? Oh, like I really do have so many fabulous bags. However, I don't usually use this one as much as I use the blue one. So, you know, I might be able to part with her too. This bag is literally so cute. So we'll put this in the sell pile too. I still have the boxes for most of my stuff too because I'm a hoarder. So this is really cute too, adorable, but I have so many wallets. I really don't need 700 of them. Like, tell me why I have this many random wallets and these are just like a couple of them. Vintage Chanel, isn't this cool? So cute. This is Vivienne Westwood. Oh, actually kind of matches my dress. Look at that, a big happy family. I'm gonna keep those too, but I suppose I could bear to part with the wallet. I do have 4 of them, so. Woohoo, we're getting somewhere. Gotta keep this because vibes. Gotta keep this because also vibes. This is really cool. I literally am always buying lingerie, you know this. I got this at a vintage shop. Christian Dior little lace like bridal set. Oh, like isn't this pretty? Literally so luxurious. Ah! But I already have a pink one and a blue one and a red one, so we'll list the white one. Any of you guys gonna be brides soon? This could be your something old and new. Ay, dare we go through this section? Probably, yeah, it's time, let's do it. Like, look what I just found. You guys see this? Does it spark joy? I got this shirt in Thailand and the answer is yes, this does still spark joy, so it's staying. But yeah, added bonus of cleaning out your closet. You find fun little treasures that you sometimes forget you had. YouTube shopping, yes, we love it. I got this when I spoke at VidCon. Such a cool experience, by the way, actually. That was like a career highlight for me. Such an honor. This has no memories attached to it. This is just a random shirt that I got. Oh, wow. You guys remember this one? I do be keeping everything. What can I say? Still sparks joy. God, this could literally take me hours, but... Oh, look! Oh, thank goodness! More jean shorts! Oh. And guess what? Keeping. Lord. This is literally grocery store merch. Like that smoothie I'm obsessed with. Yeah, it literally was cold and I bought this in the store. I literally cannot go anywhere without buying something. Not even a grocery store. All right. This has been exhausting. I need to get ready for the Eras Tour night 2. So I'm gonna get ready, pause, and I'll come back all glamorous and I'll show you my cleaned out tour. Even though I really didn't clean that much out, mostly I just kept everything, but I did reorganize. Besides, baby steps. Ta-da! How's that for a transformation? Oh, hello, work. So cute. I'm gonna go see Taylor. My Uber is literally downstairs. However, before we go, are you ready? The cleaned out closet finale. All right, so you guys remember the before, which is an absolute show. And now, ta-da, the after. It's not exactly like perfectly clean. However, you can see it is much, much better. Still definitely not as good as this room. Maybe we'll just hang out in here. This room is a lot cleaner anyway. On that note, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. I will see you on the live stream August 20th for a little closet clean out party. And for now, I'll see you at the Eras party. Quick transition. Look at me on my TikTok game, but oh my gosh, this was just unbelievable. We had the best view from a suite. Me and my friend Roxette went together. We just absolutely banged out. Shout out to Elf Cosmetics for taking us on the trip. How cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, we just had the best views. Look, when you walk out, oh, it just took my stinking breath away. It was so fun. My outfit slapped as always. Meet some of you there, which was extra magical and just truly shook it all off.